Let's make this origami basket together. You will need a square piece of paper and I'm using 15 by 15 centimeters. So fold your paper on a first diagonal line. Align the edges and press it down. And now open it and also fold it on the second diagonal line. Now that your paper is looking like this, fold it about a centimeter upwards, so this line fold it upwards 1 centimeter. Make sure that this middle line stays aligned right here. Press it down and now roll it again once over on this line and press it down. In next step, just open your paper fully. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. And now if you want, you can turn your paper over. It depends if you have pattern or not. If you have it, turn it with your pattern facing upwards. And we'll bring this bottom line of the paper. It shows better on the other side, so I'll show it like this. So bottom line of the paper, pinch it together and bring it to the middle, and the same with this top line. But if I turn it around, I will bring the bottom line of the paper, pinch it together and bring it to the middle like so, and the same with the other side. So the bottom line, fold it upwards and bring it to the middle of the paper like so. Now turn your paper over and bring these two edges of the paper to this center of the paper, this cross right here. So fold the point of the corner to the middle of the paper, press it down, and now tuck it under this part of the paper like so, and the same with the other side. Bring your corner to the center of the paper and tuck it underneath like this. And also fold this outside line of the paper into this midline of the paper. So fold in half, press it down, and the same with the other side, fold it in half like so. In next step, we'll bring this side of the paper and fold it in so that this point of the paper aligns with these two edges. So imagine here a straight line, or you can bring it a little bit over so that this line aligns with these two edges. I will bring point to the edges, so imagine this straight line right here, and press your paper down like so, and now open it and do the same with the other side. So bring this part of the paper. Again, imagine a straight line right here. Once you have it, press it down. Now open it and we'll fold from these creases that we made. We'll fold a line from this crease to this part right here. And by doing so, we'll bring this corner of the paper a little bit inwards. So just from crease, place your finger right here. And this part will also stop you, so you cannot go further. And just press it down and do the same on the other side. So again, watch out where is your crease and bring it inwards. And do the same on the other side. So again, check your crease. Like so, and the last one. Like this. In next step, you will open this middle part of the paper. So hold these two parts upwards and open it. like so. And now once it's open, just fold your paper from this crease right here and align it with this upper layer. So like this, from crease with the upper layer, press it a little bit downward, and same with the other crease, upper layer. So just press this part down, open your paper and press it down like so. And now all we need to do is just bring those two edges inwards. So just close it together and slide one part of the paper into the other. And this will hold your basket. And if you want to make it more secure, you can also glue it together. And now just adjust the sides of the paper so that it's even. And you've made your origami basket. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next one.